Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a thumbnail. Not thumbnail, I meant YouTube channel art on PC. So before we get to the video, guys, please like and subscribe, comment down below. Just like the video if this was useful. I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay, so you're going to want to go on your whatever it's called, software or something, and then you're going to want to go into photo editor. So we're gonna need this later on in the video, so keep this. I'm gonna link it in the description. Keep that open. So, and then if you want to, change your, okay. So you're gonna search up YouTube Studio. Okay, I don't know, man. So, okay, guys. We're gonna go to customization. Okay, as you guys can see, this is where you can make your channel art. And some people have problems, so like they edit their picture, but they edit their photo, but they don't have the pixels for it. So I'm gonna tell you how to fix that. So keep YouTube Studio on. So guys, after you got PIXLR, you're going to go in, and then as you guys can see, the width and the height, it's not even the size. So basically you're gonna go to customization and then copy this, put 2048, put 2048. Turn this off because it's gonna keep changing it after you change the number. 2048 on the width and 1152 on the height. As you can see, we have a channel template. Okay, so we're gonna search up YouTube channel art banner. Search it up, and then okay, so let's take this one. I'll take this one. Okay, guys. Oh wait, no, don't mind those. Okay, so literally you guys are gonna search up you're gonna name it YouTube channel art banner. Save it on your PC. Okay, so after that, press layer. Oh wait, no. Press file, press on file. So let's say you found an image, right? Let's say cool GFX background. Oh my god, I cannot spell background. Okay, let's say I just like, okay, no, wait. Yeah, let's just say you search it up and you're gonna insert the image. So let's say you like, I don't know, this. Let's see. Okay, wait, you have to change it after you insert an image. Oh gosh, I can't click. Okay, press on image size, turn this off. 2048 1152. By the way, don't get pictures from online websites. You can either get copyrighted, or you can literally or it's gonna be pixelated. So I recommend making your own or something. I'll teach you that when this video gets at least, I don't know, maybe 25 likes, which is impossible. Okay, as you guys can see, we're gonna keep this here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select this box, crop this out so you can see it better. See, as you guys can see, you're gonna see how it looks like. Let's say you want to add a character, like for example your character. So maybe you select this one. Yeah, this one. Let's just say you select this. See, as you guys can see, it's very simple. So let's say Okay, see, pretty easy, pretty simple. But if you guys want to know how to make fonts, I'll teach you in the next video, if this gets 25 likes, like I said. See, as you guys can see, you can make channel art out of this. So literally it's very easy. So it's not that hard. People are saying it's really hard, so oh gosh. So if you can't even scroll it, just like drag the layer up, and then you can easily move it around. See, that's how I do my channel art, guys. See, this is an example. So sure, okay, I'm not gonna show my user, but I will show you my channel. See, as you can see, that's my channel art, and it's pretty similar to this, right? So if you want to export it, go on file, export, quick image as PNG, save as, let's say, I don't know, something, okay, there you go. It's cool. So okay, this is the problem. So let's say you didn't put the 2048 1152 pixels. See, look, let's say this isn't, see, wait, what? Okay, let's say you didn't, see, it's gonna say image is must be at least 1024. I mean, see, as you guys can see, it has to be 2048 recommended. See, as you guys can see, it works. And then you can press done. And then, yeah, but I'm not gonna do that. So we're just gonna make sure it's didn't. Oh yeah, it's still there. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, then please like the video. It's really appreciated. And if you want to subscribe and support my channel, it would really be appreciated. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you have a good day, and yeah, peace out.